Hello, how y'all doing today? What's going on? I got a customer wanting me to install some grip bars in her Jeep Wrangler. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do it, how to install it. It's relatively not that hard. Just taking out some screws, some number 13s, and after taking out the 13s, replace them with some longer bolts for the grip bars. So I'm gonna get started and show you how to get it done. So you have one screw right here, and then there's another one right there. You're gonna take those two screws out. Those are number 13s. You got two bolts. You got a long one and a short one. Of course, this long one is gonna go on this here, and the short one is going here. Here's the grip bar right here. So you're gonna take this screw and you're gonna place it in here, and you're gonna paste this right here, and then the other side do the same thing. One goes up top here, and the other one goes here, and you're just gonna move in this, take it up, and it's gonna go like so. All right, so let me start screwing it in. All right, so I've got the first bolt in to hold it in place, and now I'm gonna try to move along. This is a number 6, if you can see it, but this is a number 6 bolt. I'm gonna try to get it on here. So I'll tighten it down. That's not working. Not sure if you can see it. It's this bolt right here, and the other one is right here. I need to secure it so I can tighten it down. Shake it a little just to line it up, make sure it's going in properly. Once I know it's going good, I can start. so it's a better look at it. Tighten it down, make sure everything is good. Not sure what the torque specs are. I'm gonna look and see if I find the torque specs on that. And there you have it. So did this side, now I'm gonna do the next side. All right, so finished that side and I went ahead and took care of that side, so that's how it looked. Everything is pointed out. You can just grab it to hold it to get in and out of the vehicle. Again, guys, thanks for watching.